Hello YouTube, Johnny B here with an unboxing video for everybody. There's nothing in here extravagant or jaw-dropping. It's just 3 coins. So I was a little limited on how much I could spend, so oh, well, that was easier than usual. Huh. Usually they glue the shit out of it. Okay. Well, didn't really want to do that to the package, but sometimes it happens. I'll put on my protection here. Don't want to get any of the oils from my hands on these coins. Never want to do that. You'll get a toned coin in about 5 years if you do that. Okay. Got a couple of extra ones of those. Let me check this. Let me check my packing slip and see if everything's on here that I ordered. Okay, that's good. Do this one first. This is just 3 coins, so morgandollar and BU. Let's see. Pretty clean coin. It's got some bag marks, but set that on there. Another Morgan. Wow. Well, that coin, from what I can tell without looking at it, with a magnifying glass, that coin's really clean. That's a blazer right there. Yeah, that's a real nice Morgan right there. It's almost kind of like proof-like in a way, kind of the fields here. And another Canadian maple leaf. This looks to be a 2015. Cool. Yeah, that's all that's all I could afford to buy this paycheck, but hey, some's better than none. Silver and gold really have not been making much of a move. It's kind of been stagnant. So it usually goes down a little bit this time of year, but it's still right around $17.10. There was a lot of online dealers that had a lot of Black Friday sales, I guess, and I didn't buy anything yet. I might tonight still. It just depends. Apmex is having a Black Friday sale. They have like 22, 23 pages of stuff that's on sale right now just for tonight, I think. But it's a lot of stuff, anything from, a roll of Roosevelt dimes, I think was for $64 or $58 or something like that. Anything like that up to, they had some coins on there that were $160,000 with taking $5,000 off one of those coins and stuff. So, but other than that, nothing much really going on. Hope everybody enjoyed their Thanksgiving. But there you have it. And like this video, leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.